My name is Sean and ang napili ko sa 7 habits is number 3 yung sa put first thing first. Put first thing first is a principle that emphasizes prioritizing what's truly important and focusing on the most critical tasks or relationship. Understanding put first thing first. 1. Prioritization. Identify what the most important and urgent and tackle those tasks or relationship first. 2. Time management. Allocate time and resources effectively to ensure you're focusing on high priority tasks. 3. Intentionally make conscious choices that align with your values, goals, and priorities. 4. Focus, minimize distraction, and eliminate non-essential activity that can derail your progress. Benefits of putting first thing first is increased productivity by focusing on what the most important. You can achieve more in less time. Reduce stress. Prioritizing tasks and managing time effectively can help you feel more in control and reduce stress. Improve relationships by prioritizing relationship and tasks that matter most. You can build stronger connection and achieve your goals. Greater sense of purpose. Putting first thing first is help you can stay focused on what truly important, giving you a greater sense of direction and purpose. So, kumbaga, yung sa prioritization, ito yung pinaprioritize natin yung ano yung mas important and tinatakil natin yung mas important kagaya ng relationships. Mas inuuna natin yun kaysa sa mga ibang bagay. Yung time management naman, ito yung hinahati-hati natin yung time natin sa iba't ibang bagay. Pero mas nakapokus tayo dun sa mas priority natin. Yung intentionality, ito yung choices natin nag-a-align sa mga goals, values, and priorities natin. Yung focus is minimize natin yung distraction and hindi eliminate natin yung mga hindi kinakailangang bagay para matuloy yung pagpo-progress natin. And that's the end of the video.